It's ironic that a crowdfunding platform has to create another crowdfunding campaign on an established crowdfunding platform. But the good part is, it helps us to validate that the crowdfunding has a lot of essence. It cannot be ignored in today's funding environment. So as you've already seen the kind of features we plan to implement as a part of our platform, be it say phased funding, minimal restrictions, group funding, tie up with entities downstream and upstream. So how are we going to use this fund? So this funding requirement is only a part of the total funds we need. This funding will be used to come up with a full-fledged website or a platform which can be used to provide enhanced services to our users. So we are here to do our bit towards this vision of nurturing the entrepreneurship ecosystem in India. And how do we do that? With a crowdfunding platform which has no restrictions. Our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Modi believes that entrepreneurship in India has a lot of untapped potential. He believes that if this entrepreneurship is nurtured at the grassroots level, it can lead to a drastic improvement in the entrepreneurship scenario in India. So we are here to do our bit towards this responsibility of nurturing the entrepreneurship ecosystem. And how do we do that? We do it through our platform. We do it by supporting those small little ideas which can be turned into something meaningful, something big. So I request all of you out there who would like to see new innovative ideas coming from India, who would like to see these ideas turning into something meaningful. And I would especially request all of the Indians out there to contribute their bit towards our campaign so that we can in turn help these ideas and help these campaigners turn their ideas into something meaningful, something useful. This is what we do. This is what Blue Chip stands for. Thank you. Thank you for your support.